Hi, in today's video, we will discuss this question number 3. The answer of this question is compilation error, but we will write this program and try to compile this program using GCC compiler on Linux, and we'll cover each and every line of this program. So for that, let me connect to my uh, Linux virtual machine, and here let's create a program. Let's create a directory with um, program 3, and I will go inside this. After this, I will copy this program from here, and I'll go back to the terminal and create one program here. So I will just say main.c. I'm using V editor here. I will enter. I'll go in insert mode by pressing I, and I will just do right click the mouse. This is for, we'll get some pop-up to make sure we are pasting this thing. So I'll say okay. After this, I can include the header file. So before moving further, let me increase the font size. I think it's too small, so that we can see it properly. Okay, so here the output of this program is compilation error, because this is const means it's like the variable is constant type. It means in other language we can say the variable is read only, we cannot modifying it. So at this line we are trying to modifying it. This is pre-increment. So whether you do pre-increment or post increment, so this is pre-increment. If I change it like this is post increment. So whether you do pre or post, we'll get compilation error, because we are trying to modify the const variable here. So I'll come out, I will save this colon, write and quit, and I'll just compile it using GCC. I'll say main.c. So we have this error here, the error which I was talking about, like we'll be getting compilation error. So to fix it, I can either remove this if I want to increase its value, and compile again. It got compiled, and since we haven't passed the binary name, the output file would be a.out here, and the answer is 11. If I want to pass some specific binary name, then I will say -o. I can say main.out. So now if I do ls-ltr, I will see main.out. a.out is a older file, I can delete that. rf-f a.out, we don't need that file, that is older file. And now I can run this main.out. So answer would be same. So if I go back to this program and do like this, I'm using that increment operator after a. So let's see the result. So before running it, let me compile it. Its answer is going to be 10, because what happens when we use post increment operator, first here at this line, first the value of a will be printed. So here the value of a is p, sorry, here the value of a is 10, it will be printed here, and after printing it will be incremented by 1 and it will become 10. So first we will see the output. Before running it, let me compile it one more time. So this is what, if I run it, so answer would be 10, because first we are using post increment. In post increment, the value is printed first and then incremented, so it will be 10 only. So now if I want to check whether, so now the question is how we are going to check after printf it is increasing or not. I'll go back, and what I will do, after this statement I can add one more statement to print this variable. So at this line it will be 10, and after printing, when it reaches to the next line, next printf, it value will become 11. Let's run it. Before running, let me just put /n slash in here so that we can see it in the next line, and I will compile it one more time. It got compiled. Let me run it. So you see here, so as you see here, as I said, first it will be 10 and then it will be 11. So this is how, you know, const variable works in C programming. You can play around with this program, and uh, you can try declaring multiple variables and try printing it by incrementing it. Or and const variable we can declare here, like, or there is one more trick. Instead of declaring const like this, if I want to put const here, then that will also work. Compiler will support it. Let me compile it one more time. Oh, sorry, let me change it to, yeah. So yeah, obviously the it is compilation error because we are trying to increment a const variable. But my point was, whether you declare const here before a, whether you declare const here or you declare const at the beginning, it doesn't matter. Compiler support it, so you can try it. But it makes difference. The position of const make difference if we are declaring pointers. So about pointers we will, we will learn in next videos, but in this video I will just talk about this. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. I'll close this file.